Meaning of freebasing.
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 Freebasing. Freebasing refers to the process of smoking a concentrated form of cocaine. The drug is made into a paste using ether or another solvent, which is then heated to produce a vapor that can be inhaled. Freebasing provides a more intense and immediate high than snorting cocaine, but it also carries a higher risk of overdose and addiction. The practice can lead to severe health problems, including respiratory failure, heart attack, and stroke. Additionally, freebasing can cause psychological dependence, insomnia, anxiety, and paranoia, making it a highly dangerous and addictive method of using cocaine.